Today, we will go over the installation for our OBD plugin GPS Tracker. This is what will come inside of the package: the rectangular tracker, the OBD adapter, and the hardwired adapter. You will only use the OBD adapter or hardwired adapter, not both. First, unbox the device and adapters. Locate the OBD port underneath the steering wheel column. Certain vehicles may require you to remove a panel under the dashboard to fully access the OBD port. On either side of the OBD port, there are two small plastic clips holding it in place. You will have to pop the clips out and release the OBD port. Please use caution. It shouldn't require a lot of force. The OBD port should be released with a small amount of pressure. Next, the white connector will plug into the tracker. The female end of the black adapter will plug directly into the OBD port. When plugged in properly, blue and green LED lights will come on the device and start flashing. Once they have a good signal connection, they will turn solid. The male end of the adapter will become the new OBD port. Take the other end of the GPS cable behind the open socket, push it through. It should fit securely and snap back into place and will function as the vehicle's new OBD port. If it doesn't feel secure, try turning it around and inserting it the other way. Mount the tracker in the dashboard as high as possible with the label side facing up. You can use zip ties or double-sided Velcro to keep it from sliding around. Tuck the rest of the wires away and replace the dashboard panel if needed. It can take up to 15 minutes for the device to power on. Bring the vehicle outside if it is in a garage and take it for a 10-minute drive to speed up the car getting its first connection. If you have questions about this device or its installation, please call our tech support team at 800-578-1809, option 2 for support. Thank you for choosing GPS and Track.